What if I told you, your car's factory speakers are holding your music hostage? Dramatic pause. In 2025, these 5 aftermarket speakers deliver studio-quality sound at prices that'll shock you. We tested bass, clarity, and durability, and number 3? It outperforms speakers twice its price. Want concert-level audio on a budget? All purchase links are below. Let's roll. Number 1. Rockford Fosgate R165x3 6.5 and 6x9 coaxial speakers. The Rockford speakers are an excellent option for infusing the sound system in your car with life. These speakers are designed to be highly durable while providing a balanced sound experience. A budget-friendly option for upgrading your car's audio system, the Fosgate is ideal whether replacing factory-installed speakers or bolstering an already excellent sound setup with the high-performance features you pay for. These speakers feature a vacuum polypropylene cone, allowing consistent sound quality and helping improve bass response. They give out sharp, high-frequency audio, which makes for a pretty full soundstage with the help of silk dome piezo tweeters. The crossover is integral, so naught will sound strange or distorted whenever it briskly transitions between the lows, the mids, and the highs. Number 2. Boss Audio CH65 36.5-inch 3-way car speakers. I still remember the day I upgraded the sound system installed in my car with Boss Audio speakers. The results blew my mind away. No more boring, tinny, factory speaker-like sounds but a full, golden glow of sound, a blanket of aural comfort that turns every drive into a concert. If you love music like I do, you might wonder if decent speakers are available on a budget. However, the speaker blew me away. Their poly-injection cone and mylar dome tweeters deliver high mids with strong punch and bass that can go deep, making them appropriate for music related to multiple genres. The thing that I thought they nailed perfectly was the sound profile. Number 3. Kicker 46 CSC 654 6.5-inch 600W car audio coaxial speakers. If you want to get all 3 features in the best way, try upgrading your car's audio system with these Kicker coaxial speakers, which produce excellent sound with a strong emphasis on clarity and bass. Designed to offer exceptional performance for casual listeners and audiophiles on a budget, these coaxial speakers deliver a balanced listening experience with deep, thumping lows and plenty of smooth mids and crisp highs. These are high-power handling devices designed to work with any car audio and create pristine sound quality for whatever driving conditions throw at you. A polypropylene woofer cone provides your music's extra bass response for a deep, punchy, and distortion-free low end. The titanium tweeters are designed to provide tip-top high frequencies in your music, with plenty of sparkle and detail. Number 4. Pioneer TSS 6991 FH 6x9-inch 5-way coaxial speakers. Pioneer speakers upgrade your car audio but keep an eye on your wallet. The speakers are the perfect solution. Designed to deliver superb and balanced audio, these speakers cater to casual listeners and audiophiles looking to upgrade their car audio experience. These advanced materials and groundbreaking technology yield pristine highs, silky mids, and punchy lows, providing a well-rounded sound experience. These are perfect for the loud, clear volume lovers with a peak power handling of 750 watts. They employ a carbon and mica-reinforced IMPP, injection-molded polypropylene, cone for tight bass response, clear at high frequencies but capable of delivering deep lows and punch. The soft dome tweeter and wide dispersion tweeter ensure the high frequencies are crystal clear with plenty of detail. The 5-way design provides even more flexibility for these speakers to ensure each range is well voiced and has smooth transitions. Number 5. Kicker 43 DSC 69304 6x9 and 43 DSC 6504 6.5 dual-car audio coaxial speakers. Kicker coaxial speakers. These low-Q high-efficiency loudspeakers are designed to deliver crisp clean sound, along with strong bass response, while remaining smooth across the frequency range. The speakers make a good option for anyone looking for solid-sounding speakers without the high price tag. These speakers get the job done if you want a serious audio experience or just to enjoy chilling at home. The 6x9-inch drivers have a rugged, polypropylene woofer cone for deep bass and stable output at higher volumes. The 6.5-inch drivers, meanwhile, are rigid and lightweight, allowing them to maintain smooth mid-range and crisp high frequencies. Both speakers use a titanium dome tweeter, ensuring that crisp high frequencies, ideal for both vocals and instruments, stand out. The coaxial speakers are a two-way design suitable for drop-in installation and work in many different car audio systems. So, which of these speakers are you upgrading to? Drop your pick in the comments. If this video saved you from overpriced junk, smash that like button, it helps more than you think. Want more undercover car gear reviews? Subscribe and hit the bell, because next week, we're exposing a $50 mod that beats $500 systems. Later.